Homemade pizza dough with Chef Josh from CCCC. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you don't know how to do pizza at home, please WhatsApp me. I share the video. So we are going to measure one cup full of wheat flour. 1 cup full of wheat flour. If you need to make many homemade pizzas, you just double this recipe I have provided you. Then we are going to apply the wheat flour in our bowl. Then after, we are going to measure 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2-in-1 yeast, instant yeast. Then after, you're going to put salt, 2 pinches of salt. Then after, we are going to put sugar. We are going to also put 2 teaspoons leveled. Then after applying, we are going to first mix a little bit, just for 1 minute. Then we are going to measure 2 teaspoons of Prestige margarine. We apply it here. If you don't have Prestige, you can use Blue Band. Then after measuring 2 teaspoons of Prestige margarine, we are going to apply cooking oil also, 2 teaspoons. So after applying it, we are going to rub for some minutes. We are going to rub until sandy texture. So we are doing homemade dough pizza today. So if you don't know how to make homemade pizza, please, you just WhatsApp me so that I share you the link on my WhatsApp channel. We are going to apply warm water or cold water. It depends on your interest, but just know warm water will quicken the process. You apply little by little. So we are doing pizza. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe update. We release recipes from Monday to Sunday, or 7 recipes a week here on my YouTube channel. If you want to join my WhatsApp channel, you just WhatsApp me on the number you're going to see in the video. So make sure that the dough is not too hard and we don't need it too soft. So after, you need it for 10 to 15 minutes until you see that it is totally ready. It is ready and soft, and it is not still sticking into your hands. So after that, our homemade pizza is done. So when it is done, you're going to rest it for some minutes. You rest it for some minutes. That means don't use it for pizza before it proves. We need the dough to prove or to double in what? To double in size. So you can rest it for 3 to 5 minutes. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have never watched this recipe for homemade pizza without oven, without sand and firewood, please WhatsApp me on the number above. See you.